The player holding the cloud number 3 tile goes first. Aaron is chosen to start the game. He lays out 2 number 9 tiles. It's a 9 pair. As I am the next player, I must put out the same amount of tiles with a higher number. If not, I will have to pass my turn. It would be distressful when passing your turn in other typical board games, but in LEXIO, it can turn into an opportunity. How many tiles will you put out when you're chosen to go first? Which numerical combination of tiles will you put out? How are you going to use the special cards? Or will you pass as part of your strategy?
How many did you have? 3, 6, 9, 10? Yeah.
LEXIO is fun and easy to play. The satisfying grip on the heavy cuboid tiles is similar to Mahjong. Using poker hand rankings makes it easy to play, and taking advantage of the special cards doubles the fun of the game. A game you can't stop once you start playing. How to play? First, deal an equal number of tiles. Second, deal 3 special cards each. Third, the player holding the cloud number 3 tile takes the lead. Fourth, the leader can put out a certain combination number of tiles. Fifth, the next player puts out the same number of tiles as the previous player, but with a higher combination. Sixth, if there is no other viable combinations, pass your turn. Seventh, when everyone passes, the last player to lay tiles becomes the lead and puts out tiles at will. Eighth, as the game keeps progressing, whoever has put out all his or her tiles wins.
LEXIO stimulates sensitivity with the weighty grip of the cuboid tiles, similar to those used in Mahjong, as well as to the unique clicking sound made when mixing the tiles up. And the tiles' outer designs feature classy images that have been engraved with intaglio, so they won't fade over time like you get with printed tiles. Its sturdy durability means that you can enjoy the game for a really long time without ever having to make repurchases. LEXIO is a highly addictive game. Its average playtime of 1 round is pretty short, but allows lots of different strategies to be devised. Thanks to the special cards, tension is saved until the very last minute. LEXIO was first released in June 2005, and the game was very well received on the market when it came out. It was even showcased at Spiel, a board game exhibition, in 2006. But there have been plenty of ups and downs for us over the past 15 years as well, such as having production halted when we had major issues at one of our manufacturing plants. Nevertheless, we've kept on researching and improving on our drawbacks over that long 15-year period, striving to create a game that will entertain everyone. Unlike mobile or online games that are, focused right on the younger generation, we believe that board games, they don't only have a fun factor, but the power to bridge communication across generations. It's a board game with fun at the center. A strategy-style board game. LEXIO.